Hi y'all, it's Charlene from the Craftyartshack, and we're back here today with another challenge video. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit, so let's get on with the crafts. Let's go! Here we go with DIY number 1. Alright, you guys, all of our inspiration came from our Shabby Cottage or Lisa over at our Shabby Cottage, so go check out her channel. Now, I didn't pick one particular video, but she does do some gift tags and stuff, and I will put the link in the description box below to her video that I saw that gave me the inspiration to make my gift tags, but I used a different type of product than she did, and I decorated mine in different colors. So go check out her channel because she does some awesome work over there, and you sure don't want to miss it. And let's get on with making these gift tags / decorations. All right, let's get started. We have this, I think it's like a bisque tag that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I removed everything off of it, made sure it was clean with alcohol. Now what I am doing here is I'm taking some of these, this is one of those H2O water transfers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my rag and we're going to add this to the front of this little tag. Now you have to peel off the backing off of this, and then you're going to place it face down, and your writing should look right to you on the front side. Now that's some kind of Latin something, I don't know, Italian, French, I don't know, y'all. It's some kind of words that I can't even pronounce. But anyway, I'm going to take and wet my rag until I see that to start to come through. And then, or when it starts, see how I'm looking at it right there and seeing whether it's staying down or not. So it messed up on the end and stuck to the thing, so I'm trying to straighten it back out. And then you have to slowly peel this up. Now you do not want to slide that on your image or anything, because if you do, it will cause it to wrinkle up or anything like that, and it'll mess it up. These designs are very tricky to work with, but not impossible. I would not recommend them, in my opinion. Now, what you see me do here is get these things, get ready to embellish things. Now, if your little flowers don't want to lay down right and they're bent from being stored like mine were, you're going to want to take your heat gun out, and then you can fix that with that. And I'm just getting all my little embellishments ready. Now, you guys, apologize. I have not been putting out very many videos. I am in the middle of moving to my new house, and I'm in the process of setting up my new craft room, which is very exciting. This house was a blessing to us and to my husband and I am just so excited. And so I'm really working on a lot of different things to get it up and ready and going for y'all, and I'll be able to show y'all that process as well, and also all the other things that we're doing. And it's a hard time of the year for me to be moving because of all the videos that need to go up and everything, but I am so excited about this and having a craft room again, because when our other house sold, we moved into an apartment, and now we get to move into our house. And so, yes, I'm excited, you guys, and I can't wait to get back to crafting. I love doing the things I'm doing with the house, but I can't wait to get back to crafting. And you guys, all I'm doing here is seeing which way I want to put things on. And this is my thought process when I'm setting up stuff. And so what I'm doing here is I'm going to add a little piece of this ribbon to hang my tag from. Now these tags make great gift tags. What you can do is use them on your gifts and use them as a tag. And then whoever receives the gift can take them off and use them to decorate in their house or all year long, or they can take and use them as an ornament of some type for whatever and they want to, and they just make great last minute gifts that you may have to have, or they make great gift tags to put on your packages and stuff. So I am adding all these little embellishments just like I laid them out before, and then we'll see the rest of this one at the final reveal. Today's video is the recreation inspiration video, and it is hosted by my good friend Amanda over at 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, myself, and our guest host this month is Z9 Designs. Go check out these ladies and the playlist in the description box below because they're all doing some awesome crafts. And that playlist, I tell you what, those ladies outdo themselves all the time. And gentlemen. So go check them out because you don't want to miss it. And let's get on with the rest of the video. Alright, here we go with DIY number 2. Now, here is a little snowman that is made out of the same type of material. I do not remember where I got this one from. It came out of some crafting items. And I don't remember where they came from, honestly. And so but I would say they probably came from the Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby or someplace like that. But I don't remember. I slept since then. So anyway, you're going to take and put down your water slide just like you did before on your other project. And be very careful with these because if they are not all the way completely wet, this will not peel off right and you'll mess it up. Once I use all of these, I won't do it again because they're just hard to work with, you guys. I am sorry. I am not paid to promote these things, and I am not going to promote this one thing. But I normally would promote stuff. The only reason why I picked them up is because I liked the designs. But if you are not an avid crafter, don't buy them. Don't waste your money on them because they are going to take... They are very tricky to work with. You see me having to put lots of water on that one. Some of them you have to put lots of water on. Some of them you don't. It's never the same thing twice with these because it really depends on the project that you're putting them on. Now the first one had a glaze on it, so it didn't take as much water. Now this one doesn't have a glaze on it, so it took a whole lot of water. So that's the difference in your projects that you're using. And now what I'm doing is I'm trying to think about what I want to embellish this with. And again, these tags, these work out really great as gift tags and or ornaments or whatever, you know, if you like to decorate in the winter seasons. I like using the snowmen and different things like that because then after the holidays you can still leave them up and it will carry over into the winter season and you can embellish different things around your house when you're decorating. Now this material that you keep seeing me tear up, this was an old sheet. Now if you get old sheets from the thrift store and wash them and clean them, you can use them and they go a lot further than buying ribbons and stuff like that. And for the shabby chic look, it is absolutely great to use these. Now I'm going to finish embellishing this one just like I did the other ones, and I'm going to make my messy bow and we'll see the rest of this at the final reveal. Now here we go with DIY number 3. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to use is this silver rub and buff, and you can get this on Amazon, and I'm going to put it on the back of my glove. Now you don't want to get this stuff on your hands because it will stain your hands and it does not come off of your hands very easily. Now I'm going to rub it on the back and on the front of this little tag. And then once you get it on there, then the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your rag and buff it back out. And this causes that rub and buff to shine, and it just looks absolutely gorgeous. Now this would make a great gift tag on a package. It would also make it a great decoration that you can use after the holiday season to transition from Christmas to winter in your home decorations. And so I am just going to go in here and stamp a scripture on the back of this, because I like to put scriptures on the back of my stuff whenever I'm making it. And that makes it a great gift to give to somebody, because then they always know and can read that scripture and think of the person that gave it to them. And so what you see me doing here is I'm taking out my third and fourth hand. That's what I call this thing, is my third and fourth hand. And it holds these to where I can work on them and add the extra embellishments. And you need to flip that magnifying glass to the back side if your project has a little bit of weight to it, like this one does. So I am picking this up and using it to hold my project up so that I can add all these embellishments to it. Now you can pick those up at Harbor Freight for less than $10. I think they were about $6 something, but you can pick them up over there at Harbor Freight. That's where I got mine from. So we're just going to continue to add these little embellishments, add our little bow, and we will see this one at the final reveal. Oh, and what you see me doing here is that I love to take those little berries and take some of them off, because they make great little snowballs, and I just think they're so cute. So I'm going to add something to hang this with on the package, and I'm just going to take another piece of that sheet that I ripped up, and I am going to make my little hanger for this. And this turns out absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So we will see the rest of this one at the final reveal. Now at this time, we'd like to thank our subscribers. We love you bunches. We appreciate everything you do for this channel. Although the liking, the sharing, and the big thumbs up, and having conversations with us through the comments. We really enjoy all of that, and we appreciate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We wouldn't be a channel if it wasn't for y'all watching. And so we just want to give you a big thanks. Here we go with the final reveal and all the embellishments. Beth and I opened up the Chic Shack over at the Avonlea Mall. Go check us out, because we've got some awesome stuff over there. And also, if you ever want to know what's going on with our channel, go check out our channel lineup on our community tab page. It'll tell you everything that's going on for that week as far as videos and stuff like that goes. So go check out our page. We'd love to have you join our channel and join our family. And if you like our videos, then share them, because we really appreciate it.
Awesome. So you guys, if you like this content, subscribe. Hit that notification bell and give us that big thumbs up, because it really helps our channel out. And we'll see you in the next episode of the Crafty Art Shack. We'll see you later. Bye.